Hello, in front of me I've got Attack Shark V6. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. The best way to connect your mouse to PC is via 2.4G dongle. Firstly, connect the dongle to USB port on the charging dock. Now, use the original cable and connect the cable to dock and now to your PC. Once it's done, you'll see RGB light. In the end, on your mouse, switch to dongle position, and your mouse is now connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.